Well, I'm back at it again. I'll show you what's in the truck. It's a nice sunny day here at the ranch. I just showed up. I have not been down in the building yet. It looks like some areas have gotten some rain, some haven't, so hopefully we got some to fill the pond up. It's looking fairly dry over here though. Passed through some areas that were nice and green. Looks like the eagle claw cactus are blooming. There's one right in there. We'll take a look at those a little later. So back of the truck, I've got 55-gallon drums. I brought two because I didn't know if it had rained anymore since I was here last. I've got two pecan trees to replace the two that had died. I've got, some other miscellaneous stuff. No big projects planned this trip, just some little loose ends. Mainly out here just to check on the place. So hopefully we'll get some video of a full pond. Definitely a lot greener than it was last time I was here 2 months ago. I'll take a walk on the next one. I'll see you later.